Okay, on the screen you see the answer to the question in front of you. If we're Frank Zappa and we're saving for our daughter Moon Unit Zappa's college education, and we think that will cost $80,000 18 years from now, we need to put away $16,959.50 if we're planning on making no more contributions to that fund. And how we solve that is we use Excel's present value formula, where we enter the future value. Actually, let me do it in order. Where we enter the interest rate of 9%, then the number of periods, which is 18. There's no payments. That's why we have two commas. There's really a zero in between, or you can omit it. And then we enter the future value of 80,000. And once we hit enter, we come up with a present value amount, the dollar amount we need to deposit today of $16,959.50. Okay, now let's change this and let's just add an assumption. Assume that we're going to pay taxes on this. Taxation of 15% of earnings on this investment. I'll call this investment earnings. Will apply over the lifetime of the investment. Okay, so now we need to modify this to account for the fact that every year as we make money, we're investing in a taxable vehicle, and Uncle Sam's going to take 15% of it. And the way you would do that is adjust the interest rate. Instead of earning 9%, let me type over that and make that say equal 9%, right? Hopefully you can see how I'm doing, times 1, actually let me put some spaces in here because I believe that still works, equals 9% times 1 minus a 15% tax bracket. And what we're doing here is we're calculating what's our interest rate after we have paid out the 15% to Uncle Sam. Okay, then that rate becomes, and I'm going to give a couple decimal places here, rounded to 7.65, and you'll see that the present value determines the amount of savings we need to put away right now is equal to $21,224.50. And that's how we would answer this one if we add in this assumption here. And let me just put that in that color so that it flows into the problem portion. Okay, thanks everyone.